Want to sell stunning stock photos online without even touching a camera? Thanks to artificial intelligence, you can now create and sell beautiful, high-quality images in just a few minutes. That's right, you can enter the world of stock photography with zero photography experience. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to create AI-generated stock photos and make real money by uploading them to top-paying websites. Let's begin. Welcome to the future. As of the year 2025, artificial intelligence has opened up an entirely new avenue for earning income online. Many stock photo platforms now accept AI-generated images. That means you don't have to be a professional photographer to get started. Here's what's new and exciting. The demand for futuristic, niche, and conceptual photos is growing every day. Companies are searching for visuals that represent new technologies, remote work, digital lifestyles, and human-robot interaction. With only a few descriptive words, you can prompt an AI tool to generate the exact image you imagine. All you need is creativity and a solid understanding of where to upload your creations. So, how do you make these eye-catching stock photos? Let's talk about the top AI tools available right now. First, we have Midjourney. It is known for its beautiful, artistic, and realistic styles. You access it using Discord. If you want a polished, cinematic image, Midjourney is a solid option. Second, there's Adobe Firefly. This tool produces high-resolution, commercial-use images. It's perfect for people looking to make money from their visuals. Third is Leonardo AI. This platform is excellent for illustrations and product mockups, especially if you want images that look great in presentations and advertisements. Fourth, we have Canva AI. Canva is easy to use, especially if you're a beginner. It includes drag-and-drop features and lets you generate stock-style photos with just a few clicks. Here's a simple prompt you can try in any of these tools. Professional office desk with laptop. Natural light. Modern minimal aesthetic. Top view. Stock photo style. Try that out, and you'll see how quickly you can produce something truly sellable. Now that you've created your image, where should you sell it? Let's break down the best platforms that pay for AI-generated stock photos. First up, Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock accepts AI-generated content and offers competitive payouts. Just make sure you tag your images properly with the label Generative AI. Next is Shutterstock. Shutterstock has a huge global customer base and also accepts AI-generated photos, provided they are marked clearly. It's one of the most well-known platforms and a favorite among content creators. Then we have Dreamstime. Dreamstime accepts digital art and AI images. It's great for uploading abstract visuals and creative concepts. Next on the list is EyeEm. EyeEm connects directly to Getty Images, one of the biggest stock image providers in the world. EyeEm is an excellent choice for lifestyle, artsy, and emotional AI images. Finally, consider using Wirestock. Wirestock is a smart choice because it distributes your images to multiple stock platforms like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock. You only need to upload once, and it handles the rest for you. Now, here are some essential tips to increase your chances of success in selling AI stock photos. Tip number 1. Use trending keywords. Think of phrases like remote work, 2025 business trends, or AI concept when uploading your images. Tip number 2. Upload your photos in themed sets. Instead of posting one photo at a time, upload 10 to 20 similar images that explore a single concept or mood. Tip number 3. Always label your images correctly as AI generated. Most platforms require this, and it builds trust with potential buyers. Tip number 4. Add subtle edits to make your images stand out. You can use Photoshop or Canva to make small adjustments in lighting, sharpness, or composition. Even a tiny edit can turn a good image into a top seller. Bonus tip: consistency is key. Upload images regularly. Aim for a schedule like 10 new uploads every week. This helps build your portfolio and increases your visibility on stock platforms. Here's the bottom line. You don't need a DSLR camera or years of experience to succeed in stock photography. With the power of artificial intelligence, all you need is imagination, a few smart tools, and the knowledge of where to upload your work. So what are you waiting for? Your first image is only a few clicks away from becoming a passive income stream. Before you go, we have a small favor to ask. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your support means everything to us. And if you have an image idea you want to try with AI, let us know in the comments. We read every single one and love hearing your ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to CoinCrafts for weekly videos that explore smart ways to earn income with technology. Tap the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. We're just getting started, and the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating, keep imagining, and keep crafting your future with CoinCrafts.